Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on PC using Tencent Gaming Buddy. First, you'll need to download the official emulator from its dedicated website. The installation process is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements, which typically include at least 4 GB of RAM and a decent processor, to ensure a smooth and enjoyable gaming experience. Once the emulator is installed, launch it to begin. Inside the emulator, you will find a game center where you can easily locate and install PUBG Mobile. This process usually takes a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. After installation, simply log in with your existing PUBG Mobile account, or if you are new, you can quickly create a fresh account to start playing. A crucial step is customizing your controls. The emulator provides robust key mapping settings, allowing you to assign keyboard and mouse actions to in-game functions for precise control. Don't forget to adjust the graphics and performance settings to match your PC's capabilities, aiming for a balance between visual quality and frame rate. Also, configure your audio settings for clear sound and effective team communication. Playing on PC offers significant advantages, like a larger display and the precision of mouse and keyboard controls, which can greatly improve your aim and movement. To ensure the best performance, always close any unnecessary background applications before launching the game. Furthermore, a stable and fast internet connection is vital for uninterrupted online matches, minimizing lag and ensuring a smooth, competitive experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.